Hey yo, what's going on? I got a new kit, and I want to give you a backstory real quick. I went today being Wednesday, the 27th, and on lunch, went down to the hobby shop to see my buddy, and he wasn't there, but his wife was there. Hey, Anna, and anyway, I got told about the new kits that were coming into the shop. Well, I found out what they were, and as one of the a bunch of guys in the shop's been wanting to get for a long time, and so I said, "Yeah, I'll take one of those." And so I went ahead and did, prepaid for it. Anyway, dude, man was over having something done with something in his with his teeth, and but anyway, later on in the afternoon, there was a picture posted by the shop that said that he had bought the first one, and I mean, it was. I'll try to drop the picture right here. Hey, but he's wrong because I got the receipt to prove it. I was the first one today. I got the first one. Let me show you what it is. Now, if that thing right there ain't a beauty, I don't know what is. There has been a huge buzz around the shop waiting for this kit to be released. And finally, it is here. As you guys have seen that I'm absolutely legit here. I have not broken the seal on this thing as much as I wanted to. Well, the wife wanted to go out to dinner tonight, so that kind of put the kibosh on it earlier. But yeah, let's break the seal on this joker and see just exactly what's inside of this thing. I'm so freaking anxious to get this thing open that I'm gonna pray that it's actually in the frame like it needs to. But again, Mr. Man, there it is right there. Prepaid. You were not number one, I was. But anyway, let's get into this booger. This thing should be absolutely awesome. It is direct drive. There is I believe it's going to be like a ball bearing diff on the axle itself, kind of like, reminiscent of like the old, what do you call them things? The old bowling cars, old RJ Speed cars, just a pan car, basically. But man, what a pretty one. So, awesome box art. This damn lid, pardon me, this lid here is worthy of being cut out and framed. Just about. It is gorgeous. And I may do it. I don't know. I might make a frame and hang it on the wall. Who knows? But you guys ready for this? Because Lord knows I am. All right. All right. We can live with this. First things first. Nice, individually boxed stuff here. I'm having to move it around to try to help. And then there's that awesome body. I want to get to that in just a minute, but let's take a look and see what's going on in here. First of all, this big gray box right here. Hopefully it's not just a filler piece, but wow. Now, there's something in there. I don't know what it is, but it sounds like some metal parts. So let's take a look at the end of it. Well, I'll try to make this as brief as I possibly can. Okay, this is all metal stuffs, and I'm not gonna unwrap every one of them. So just take them out as a whole. Okay, we got a sport tuned motor. That'll work. That'll definitely work. And the plan is to keep this thing completely brushed, because if I put brushless in this car in a direct drive, it will probably take off like a jet. Okay, some metal parts. Parts bag C. It's like one shock, so it's going to be like a mono shock on the back end, I do believe. Looks like we got some axle parts here. That's exactly what that is, axle parts. And we got a box of body clip, a bag of body clips. Parts bag A. Looks like the steering linkages. And it's going to be a kingpin setup. So, yeah. Okay. I'm anxious to put this back in this daggone box. What is this? Oh, nice. I don't know if that's carbon. TV sure it's not carbon fiber, is it? Sure looks like it. If it ain't, it's a carbon composite, and it is really pretty, really nice, slick. I love Tamiya kits, man, just for that. Their fit and finish is to die for. They just their quality is just amazing. So let's see. Well, I'm assuming this is probably tires. and such, because I don't see tires under there. So let's have a look. We'll get the old knife and see if I can do this without cutting myself to pieces. Just voila. Looky, looky. Foam tires, man. And I mean nice daggum tires. Look at that now. That's what's happening there. Big boys. Look at the size of this tire here. I mean, that is not a slouch tire. That's the rear, obviously. Front's pretty daggum size. That's nice. And what kind of wheels and did we get with it? Okay. Gears. Some shock parts. So we got a friction shock, which I will definitely change. Some servo parts. The wheels. Okay. That's going to be interesting. This is going to be a lot like setting up the old RJ Speed cars that I used to have. So that's pretty cool. That shouldn't be hard at all. This is really slick. Again, trying to keep this as quick as possible. Look at that. Holy friggin' cow. How do you get into it? Right there. Be smarter than the bag guy. Oh, Lord. All right. So this must be the spoiler. So it's not, I know in the box the spoiler is black, so it's not a black molded plastic spoiler. It is a Lexan spoiler, and it has to be cut and whatnot. That is not a problem. Not a problem. Let's get into this a little further. All right, I'm aching to get to that body, so you know what all this is. This is all the build stuff, all the chassis stuff, every other piece that you're going to need to build this slick friggin' machine. And this. Holy frig. Look at his body. I hope it's in the frame. I can't really tell if it is or not, but the body, oh my God, is absolutely gorgeous. Holy shoot, that is beautiful. It's going to be anyway. And I'm not doing silver. I'm not going to tell you. And it's not going to be orange. I promise you that. Not a whole lot of decals either, which is cool. Got some, but there's no really like race livery for it. Don't know if I'll go with a race livery package or not. Might, or I might just do a solid color. Who knows? And then here, oh yes, the build manual. And so nice, man. This is going to be such a cool kit to build. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Otto. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. And this is going to be one fun kit to build. And I'm looking forward to getting out there and running in the parking lots with all the guys as soon as we all get our stuff built. So there it is. Been waiting on this kit to be released for what seems like an eternity. And now it's here. Now it's here. I know I've got other kits I got to finish. I'm still working on that Mercedes, that blue Mercedes over there on the toolbox. Only thing left is to just put the trim decals on it and a couple more pieces. But that's not going to be a runner, I don't believe. This, oh, heck yes. This is definitely going to be a runner. You know what, man? Otto, Anna, I can't thank you guys enough. And just Otto, just so you don't forget, I was the first one to purchase that car. It was not you, man. So, look, guys, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video. I was the first. I'll talk to you guys later. Later.